Yaesu have just announced their new cashback. It's the holiday cashback for 2025, running from the 6th of November to the 31st of December.
Welcome to the Waters and Stanton Ham radio channel, presented by Peter Waters.
Yes, it's that time again. Yaesu have announced their latest cashback. So let me take you through the models and the prices on these models after you take advantage of the Yaesu cashback. The ever popular Yaesu FTX-10. The FT710AESS, great transceiver. And the FT710 Field, a really good price. And the new FTX1 Field, save some money here. If you're interested in dual band mobile, take a look at this rig. And another version here. And for a smaller budget, take a look at the FTM 150. Now let me explain how cashback works. Basically, you pay our normal discount price for the radio, and you then send a copy of your receipt together with the serial number of the item you purchased to Yaesu UK, and they will then send you the cashback, which is, I think at the moment, is either £85 or £45, depending on which model you're purchasing. Now you will have to wait something like a month to 2 months before you get the cashback, and that's because you obviously have the right to return the item if you don't like it, and therefore Yaesu wait until you've gone through that period so that they're sure that you are going to keep the radio, and then you'll get the cashback. Now do also remember that you can do part exchange. If you do a part exchange deal, it then makes the deal quite attractive, because you phone us or you send us an email and we'll tell you what we're prepared to pay for your radio based on the conditions you tell us. Has it got the handbook? Has it got the original box? Is it working? Is there any damage on it at all? And you send that to us, or we will pick it up from you, and then that saves you quite a lot of money on your radio. Now, you can, if you wish, elect to pay the full price for the new radio. We will collect it, and then within 2 or 3 days we'll give you a refund. That's the quickest way of getting your new radio. We'll send you a refund based on the price that we said we'd pay for your radio. You'll get that as a refund on your credit card, and the chances are that you'll get the credit on your card before you have to pay it, so you just pay the net price. But you'll also still qualify for the Yaesu cashback, and so within a month or so you'll get further cashback from Yaesu. It's quite a good deal. Now this runs right through until the 31st of December, so you've got a period of time to consider what you want. But I suggest you take advantage of it, because it's a great way of buying that new rig. Now one other thing we're doing is we're offering bundle deals, and you'll see this sign here against quite a few products where you get some items either free or a discounted price if you buy the main item. Can be combined, of course, with the Yaesu cashback and, of course, part exchange. So have a look at our website. There's some great deals if you combine them all together. Do you have the means of monitoring the complete spectrum that you may be interested in? In other words, do you have a general coverage receiver? Well, perhaps you don't. Do you know, one of the easiest ways of getting a general coverage receiver is to look at the SDR Play range of SDR receivers. They work with Windows, with Linux, with Mac, and with Raspberry Pi. And it's very useful to have a monitor receiver so you can monitor the whole of the radio spectrum, maybe listen to your own signals. So SDR Play is a first stop for a general coverage receiver these days, and they've just updated their software. If you connect your transceiver to the SDR software now, you can actually control your transceiver via the SDR play screen, or you can go the other way around and you get your transceiver to control the tuning and the modes on the SDR play screen. So it means to say that effectively your SDR receiver would be tracking your transceiver or vice versa. But also I think it's very useful to have a general coverage receiver to monitor all sorts of things that you might want to listen to apart from your own signal, to see what else is going on, perhaps on some of the bands that your transceiver doesn't cover. So take a look at SDR Play on our website. If you suffer with noise problems, you'll be glad to know that we've now got a range of ferrite clamp-on cores. They clamp easily onto different diameters of wire. We've got three different diameters. We've got the small, medium and large, so it should cater for whether you're treating coax cable or DC cables or whatever, perhaps thinner, the RG58 cable and so forth. The thing is that noise does carry down the outside of shielded cables like coax. So if you want to try and combat noise, first thing you need to do is you need to have a line isolator which you can create with a ferrite core clamped on your coax just as it goes into the first in line in the shack, either the transceiver or the VSWR meter. First thing that the coax makes contact inside the shack, put a clamp on that. Put a clamp on your DC lead, and that should help. If you've got problems with the RF feedback, you may need to put a clamp on some of the other lines going to your transceiver. In fact, any line going to your transceiver can carry noise. So take a look on our website. We've got a range of ferrite clamps. They're not that expensive, and it may improve your noise problem. Now, if you're looking for something different to try, what about 60 meters, the 60 meter band in the 5 megahertz area? It's quite an interesting band actually, and my mate ZL3XDJ has recently published a video, and he's explaining how he manages to work across to Europe, including the UK, running just 15 watts on the 16 meter band. He describes a vertical he's made in his garden, very simple vertical. It's helically wound, so it's not the full size. It's around about the same size as a 40 meter vertical, and he's having some great fun on 60 meters, working into the UK with just 15 watts. 15 watts apparently is the limit in New Zealand. So check out Brian's YouTube channel, ZL3XDJ, and see if it's something that you might want to try. If you're a CW operator and thinking about buying a new paddle key, then maybe take a look at this Bengali iambic keyer. It's been produced to celebrate WRTC 2026, of which we are prime sponsors, and part of the proceeds will go towards sponsoring WRTC 2026. Yes, it's Bonfire week, as if you hadn't noticed. We're offering 5% discount across the board. Yes, we're offering an extra 5% across the board, apart from those items which are already on a special offer. So that's to celebrate Guy Fawkes Day. I'm not sure what Guy Fawkes had to do with radio. In fact, come to think of it, radio wasn't invented then, was it? Anyway, you're still going to get your 5%. Well, there we are. That's quite a interesting range of options you've got if you're buying from us in the next few days. You've got Yaesu Cashback, which goes right through till the end of December, so some significant savings there. We've got some bundled deals, so if you go on to some of the items, you'll find that you can get some freebies. I think on the Yaesu transceiver, some of those come with a free power supply. You get a baseball cap, which is a nice baseball cap actually, and you get some other discounts that are just distributed randomly through our website. You've got this 5% across the board discounts, and of course you've got the chance of doing some part exchange deals. So all in all, this is probably quite a good time to think about buying what you were thinking about getting. Perhaps now it's no longer thinking, it's time for action. Anyway, that's up to you. And if you want to do a deal, you can always pick up the phone and speak to one of our guys, and I'm sure they'll do a decent price for you, whether it be part exchange or an outright purchase. Just pick up the phone and have a chat with them. And above all, we do value your custom, and I think we're in our 52nd year now of trading. Gracious me, 52 years. Dear oh dear. And he's still around. Yeah, I'm still around, and I still enjoy ham radio. And I do want you to sort of enjoy ham radio, get decent deals from us. We do our best. We sort of cut prices right to the bone sometimes, but at least you get what you want, and we're happy that we're going to make a little bit of profit. And I do appreciate you supporting this video channel as well, of course, because it's been going for some while now. It's very much a one-man band. It's me and me, that's it. I do everything. But I do appreciate your support on this channel, and look forward to seeing you in the next video. So, as usual, I say, you enjoy ham radio, you take care, and I really will look forward to seeing you in the next video. Bye for now.